Thieth medo orochore e kaunti ma Elgeyo Marakwet kaluwore gi ng'anyo ma lakteche e kaunti no ma koro donjo odiechienge ma 21. Ywak maduong' ma laktechego en ni bedo ni tend kaunti-no oserem chopo singo mar keto tim winjruok madokie tich manochwo e kogno higni 2 mokalo, winjruok mane nyiso ni moko kuom laktache ibiro rang'iny margi to moko bende ibiro med chudo kaluwore kod rang'iny mar somo mar ng'ato.
Tunasema ile ambayo tunauliza leo na ile ambayo tulianza kuuliza wakati tulianza mgomo wetu kaunti na haraka ya kumaliza huu mgomo.
But nothing has happened up to this point, and that is why we are on strike, and we have said we are not going back to work. Otherwise we will be on strike over and over for the same issues. It does not even make sense. We cannot be going back to the streets for the same issues for 2 years.
If you can ask yourself, for the last 21 days we have been on strike, how many revenue this county have actually lost per day? It's into millions. When the issue is supposed to address, it's not even more than 50,000 per month. If there is any increment on, if he actually does those promotions, like the job group S promotions and the resignations.
As a union, we are also here to push back those injustices meted against our members, and we are saying enough is enough, and we want to ask the residents of Elgeyo Marakwet to make their governor accountable, to make him responsible, so that akuwe governor wa raia, si wa